we're going to add and subtract a couple radicals, and there's hopefully going to be some simplification by the end. We've done other videos that include simplifying radicals, so I'm going to skip the steps of the breaking down and just use the fact that I already know how to simplify radicals. So if you need to see how to do those, look at a previous video. Okay, 18, I'm going to view that as a 9 times a 2, because I know the square root of 9 is 3. So this is going to be a 3 radical 2. 5, 98 happens to be 49 times 2, so the square root of 49 is 7, so I'll end up getting a 7 radical 2. So in other words, we have a 3 rad 2 plus 5 times 7, they're both outside now, that's a 35 rad 2. So the answer to this problem should be 37 copies of radical 2, because now we can just factor out that radical 2. Okay, so let's try the next one. 2 radical 63. Do you know a perfect square that goes into 63? Like maybe 9? Square root of 9 is 3, so I get 2 times 3 times the leftover radical 7. 28, what multiplies to 28? Well, that'd be 4 and 7, so the 4 will come out, leaving us with 2 rad 7. So it looks like we have 6 rad 7 minus 2 rad 7, or in final answer, 6 minus 2 is 4, so we get a 4 rad 7. Okay, so try this one on your own. Pause the video and see if you can simplify negative 3 rad 8 minus radical 72. And assuming you gave it a good shot here, 8 is equal to 4 times 2, so I'm going to get negative 3 times 2 times radical 2 minus 72 is 36 times 2, so we're going to have a 6 and a radical 2. So this time I wrote in the little hint so you could see where those numbers were since you tried it all on your own here. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 rad 2 minus 6 rad 2. And of course negative 6 minus 6 is going to be minus 12. So the final answer here should be negative 12 radical 2.